At DAP Products, we've been developing and manufacturing high-quality adhesive and sealant products for more than 100 years. DAP dominates the home improvement market with over 90% brand awareness with both contractors and homeowners. We've built our business by leading the way with innovation. Products like Alex Plus, Plastic Wood, Dry Decks, and DAP 3.0, just to name a few. Our latest innovation is the DAP Spec line. Leading manufacturers of building materials such as siding, windows, doors, subflooring, and drywall rely on sealants and adhesives that meet industry specifications for proper installation of their products. Manufacturers often reference industry specifications for the sealants and adhesives used to install their products. All of the products are engineered to meet and exceed the standards they are named after. More importantly, we talk to contractors, distributors, and dealers nationwide before developing the DAP Spec line to ensure that each product would exceed the toughest requirements around. Theirs. Meet the new choice for high-performance sealants and adhesives. Meet the line that meets the specs.
Usually if it's not a good quality caulk, usually it's all cracked up and it's hard like cement.
Resisting cracking and fading is a function of the amount and type of rubber and resins used in a sealant. Rubbers and resins can be some of the most costly ingredients in the formulation. As a result, low-cost sealants are loaded with fillers and contain less rubbers and resins, resulting in poor long-term performance. Higher grade products like Dap Dynaflux 920 use more high quality rubber and resins and fewer cost reducing fillers. More of the good stuff in Dap Dynaflux 920 means a better product for the long term.
Well, we go from 100 degrees in the summertime to minus 20 in the wintertime, and you need it to work not only when it's real hot, but when it's also cold.
Dap Dynaflux 920 can be applied in hot or cold temperatures and even adheres to damp surfaces. Watch it adhere to the surface underwater, just like it would on a dry surface.
That's very important because that's basically the difference between an amateur and a professional. You want a nice, smooth, even bead.
When applied in a 3/8 inch bead, Dynaflux 920 will shrink slightly into a concave line for a smooth finish without any need for tooling. Dap Dynaflux 920 also is tack-free in about 5 minutes. This is important because the longer the product is tacky, the more susceptible it is to collecting job site dirt and dust. And Dynaflux 920 is available in hundreds of colors to match windows, doors, and siding from leading manufacturers. Dynaflux 800 is a premium polymer sealant that can be used indoors and out. It's ideal as a window or door bedding sealant. The product will remain flexible, providing a weatherproof seal around the window or door.
You want to be able to finish it, so it's got to be paintable or stainable. When the window finished, painted or stained, it's got to look nice, and you don't want caulk that's going to crack up right after you're done painting.
DAP Dynaflux 230 is a premium quality latex sealant that combines outstanding durability and adhesion with ease of use. Lower quality products tend to shrink and crack when subjected to movement. DAP Dynaflux 230 can flex, withstands joint movement, and resists cracking.
Oh, foam's like gold. It just, it goes into all cracks, it seals up great. You can cut it off if it expands out past your jams. It's far superior to fiberglass insulation putting in there just because it seals right up next to the window, right up next to your 2x4 studs, go all the way up to your front of your window all the way back to your drywall.
DAP Draft Stop 812 is a low-pressure polyurethane foam designed to fill gaps around windows and doors. The unique formula is closed cell, meaning it won't absorb moisture and water. Draft Stop 812 is also flexible. Windows and doors will expand and contract. The foam between them and the rough opening needs to accommodate this movement. Rigid foams may crack and allow air and water to enter the home. All of the products we've just reviewed can be used individually for various applications around the home. When combined and used together, they create a compatible system for door and window installation that meets the required specifications of door and window manufacturers.
Drywall adhesive will prevent nail pops. A lot of builders don't use it. Good builders do use it.
DAP Dynagrip 557 drywall panel adhesive is easy to apply and provides a bond that allows for fewer screws or nails to attach drywall. It will also help limit air and sound movement between walls.
It won't adhere. Some do, some don't adhere very well. Most of the time, you know, it'll fail, it won't adhere, and you will get squeaks in your floor over time.
DAP Dynagrip 3498 is a VOC compliant solvent-based subfloor adhesive designed for the job site. DAP Dynagrip will adhere to wet and frozen lumber. It extrudes easily in all weather conditions, even as low as 20 degrees Fahrenheit.
Sometimes you'll see the adhesive through the panels or it'll eat the panels, so you got to make sure it's compatible.
DAP Dynagrip Frp Multi-Purpose Adhesive is a high-strength, quick-grab, latex-based adhesive designed for bonding a wide variety of building materials. DAP Dynagrip Frp Multi-Purpose Adhesive is ideal for use on bath panels and foam board insulation. Regular construction adhesives can burn through these types of materials, so it's important to use a compatible adhesive. The DAP Spec line. No other brand assures that you meet your customers and the industry specifications more easily. For more information on the DAP Spec line or any DAP products, please contact your local DAP representative or find us online at dapspecline.com.